Everyone is getting rich with Bitcoin and you're still wondering if it works or not. I know that you're sick of seeing everyone getting rich, many successful stories, people living in their dream houses, buying their dream cars, and giving an amazing life for their family. Did you know that Bitcoin changed the lives of 3 million people? I know that you want to be in the same position. You want to achieve your dreams, to give your family the life they deserve, to travel the world and live your dream life. But you feel overwhelmed with all this information and scams about Bitcoin. You don't know where to start. Everyone is talking about it, but no one is telling you how to start and how to take your piece of the cake. In this training, I want to help you. I have suffered from the same feeling you have now, and I don't want anyone to suffer more. If you're successful, it will never hurt me. To be honest, I don't know why they keep all these secrets hidden from the people. Why we just want success for ourselves without sharing it with people. I want to change humans' lives. I have already made the money. I'm living my dream life and I want you to be the same. That's why I'm giving you all the secrets for only $7. Yes, only $7. It's less than a cup of coffee. I told you, I don't want to make money anymore, I just want to help people. I want to see these emails from people telling me that I changed their lives because it really makes me feel alive. And guess what, if you didn't like these secrets and found that it's not working, just let me know and I will give you your $7 back. It's a no-risk investment. To be honest, this money only for the guys who are working with me, who built this amazing site that you're surfing right now. Before buying, I want you to read my story first, to see that I was just like you. I was in the same position and I did it. It's not difficult to be rich with Bitcoin, but it needs commitment. It's not a quick rich thing. You need to understand what you're doing and start applying it. That's why I'm giving you this training. I will take you step by step to get your first Bitcoin and start achieving your dreams. Just to remind you, the whole training is only $7. I don't know for how long it will be online. Maybe they can take it down, so hurry up and take it. If it didn't work, just email me and I will send your money back.